Okay, Principles of Analysis, Rudin, Chapter 1, Problem number 14. If z is a complex number such that the magnitude of z is 1, that is, such that z times the conjugate of z is 1, compute this here. So the first thing we need to know is this. The magnitude of z is z multiplied by the conjugate of z, and that's all going to be square root of all that. So we can just work through this. So another thing to make this more simple is to know that magnitude of z squared is z times conjugate of z. And this one right here makes more sense when we're dealing with this. So 1 plus z, we're looking at this here, 1 plus z conjugate plus 1 minus z, 1 minus z conjugate. So we can simplify this here, just 1 plus z and 1 plus z conjugate plus 1 minus z, 1 minus z conjugate. Then we just multiply these out real quick, and we get 1 plus z plus z conjugate plus z conjugate. That's for all this here. Plus, now we're going to do this one. 1 minus z minus z conjugate plus z conjugate. And so here we can simplify. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this negative z and this z. This z conjugate with this negative z conjugate with this z conjugate. Then we have this here, and this, that's 1 plus 1 is 2, the number 2. And then we get z times, actually I'm just going to leave it 1 plus 1. And then z times z conjugate, well, we know what that is, that's 1. Z times z conjugate, we know what that is, that's 1. Add all this together and we get 4.